Hey, what's up y'all? Welcome to the Box Tricks. In this video, I'm going to explain how you install our TBT Iptv app on an Android box. So let's go ahead and get started. You want to go over to your settings and you're going to look for security and restrictions. And once you find that, you are going to select it. And you want to verify that unknown sources is enabled. If unknown sources is not enabled, you're not going to be able to have installation outside of the Google Play Store. So once that's enabled, you can select the button on your remote that looks like a house. That is going to take you to your Android box home screen. Now you want to go and open your browser. Some Android boxes display the browser on the home screen. Others, you have to go into apps and you're either going to look for your Chrome browser, your Firefox, a TV browser, something of that nature. You want to go ahead and select your browser and open it up. Your browser, you might have to use the mouse function on the remote. I'm using a wireless remote, so it's actually fairly easy to navigate with the mouse. So you want to go up to the search bar up here and you're going to type in our URL, which I'm going to display on the screen, so you can go ahead and pause the video and enter our URL in. You want to make sure that you are entering this URL in correctly. Once you have done that, then you want to go down on your keyboard on the lower right hand corner and select Go. And it's going to give you this notification box. Some Android boxes prompt for it, others do not. You can just always select just once, and this is going to initiate download. And just bear with your device while it downloads. You can also see that it's downloading in the upper left hand corner. I got a notification at the very bottom. It says open, but I missed that notification. So I'm going to have to go back to my home screen, go to my apps, and I'm going to have to go into one of the files to actually install this. So I'm going to go into App Installer, or you can choose Downloads, you can choose File Browser. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Local Disk, and it's going to list the TBT right here. So go ahead and select it. And in the lower right hand corner, you want to select Install, and just bear with your device while the app is installed. Once the application is done being installed, select Done, and then go ahead and hit that Home button on your remote. That is going to take you back to your Android box home screen. Now I'm going to explain how you pull that application out to your home screen shortcuts. Go down to the plus symbol and you're going to scroll through your applications and you're going to find the TBT app. You're going to select it, and once you select it, it's going to put a check mark there. Now hit your backup button or your return arrow. You're going to go back to your home screen and you see that the app is displayed at the bottom. So that's basically it, y'all. That's how you install the application on an Android box. If you guys have any questions, just drop us a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell notification, that way you'll be notified when we upload new videos. And I will talk to y'all later. Thanks.